For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer Series 3000 MG3740/40 is a 13-piece all-in-one grooming kit designed for men who want an easy and effective way to maintain their beard, facial hair, and overall grooming routine. This trimmer set includes everything needed for precision trimming, beard maintenance, and removing unwanted hair from the nose and ears. 13-piece grooming kit. This kit comes with multiple attachments, including trimmers for beard and stubble maintenance, a precision trimmer for sharp edges, and a nose and ear hair trimmer. These tools provide flexibility for different grooming needs. Self-sharpening steel blades. The trimmer features self-sharpening steel blades that stay as sharp as they were on day one. This ensures long-lasting performance without the need for blade replacements or frequent maintenance. Easy cleaning. The blades and guards can be easily detached and rinsed underwater. This allows for quick cleaning after each use, keeping the trimmer hygienic and ready for the next grooming session. Powerful battery performance. The trimmer runs on a powerful battery that provides up to 60 minutes of runtime on a full charge. The package includes a full power adapter to ensure reliable charging whenever needed. Built for consistent performance. As you remove the trimmer head, you may notice grease inside. This is intentionally placed to maintain consistent trimming performance over time. It helps the trimmer deliver a smooth and even cut, ensuring long-term reliability. Durability and performance. The trimmer is designed for long-term use with high-quality materials and a strong battery life. With its practical design and reliable performance, the Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer is a solid choice for anyone looking to simplify their grooming routine.